So now again, the camera has done something that the user of the camera has not, intended. So this is the kind of foolishness that we're dealing with, and that means the technology is just rubbish. So, and we should not have to, adjust to technology. What kind of madness is that? But anyway, not the time for a philosophy or a lecture. So, inverted madness or something. I've never heard of that before. Imagine that rubbish. The other socks is just about on. Everybody's gonna know that we're a bum because they see us putting on our socks. And what the hell? This guy has the socks on. What the fuck? But that's why I would prefer to look like a gentleman, just let into the washroom and then briskly be out, looking sharp and everything. But they had to send the guards in the washroom and the manager going to investigate what's going on in there. Yeah, his old bum just go in there. You know what I'm saying? Right on. It's actually damn right on, eh? So let's tie this final shoelace. And even though this clothes are rough and torn, we pretty much look like everyone else now. I think I'll buy a new bag. And we got these gloves here. We're going to put these gloves in the bag. So, and then we have that jacket. Oh, this jacket's going to turn us into a bum again. So we might as well just forget about the whole trying to look like,